Food and life's such a beautiful thing, don't you think? If you guys are enjoying this content, don't forget to subscribe here, like this content, click the bell, be a part of the notification. Gang! Today guys, authentic Jamaican food. This looks bomb. So I got the jerk chicken, the oxtail, the rice, and their coleslaw. To drink guys, we got a Jamaican classic from Mrs. Grace, Tropical Rhythm Pineapple Ginger Shake. Let's get into this. Before we start this guys, let's get into this Tropical Rhythm Pineapple Ginger on palm. They hooked it up with a nice long straw. Take the first sip of this guys. Whet the appetite. Yeah, it's got it. Nice. Wow. Wow. That's awesome. It tastes like what it says. Pineapple and a big strong hint of ginger. I knew Mrs. Grace. I knew I can count on Mrs. Grace. Every time I see Mrs. Grace, I know it's gonna be good. That's legit. From hot sauce to ginger beer to this, I don't even know why I keep calling Mrs. Grace. It's just Grace. Take your sanitized fork and let's get into this guys. I'm pumped. First time ever trying authentic Caribbean or Jamaican jerk chicken and oxtail. So there's the rice and there's potatoes in there. Take the first bite of this guys. Quick time. It's got it. Nice. Mmm. Wow. You guys can believe it or not. I made jerk chicken before. And it tastes very similar. Not gonna lie. The rice has a slight coconut taste to it. The seasoning is awesome. A piece of the oxtail. Quick time guys. It's got it. Nice. Mmm. Wow. That is tender. Mm-hmm. Wow. The seasoning and everything, guys. Look at that. Just look at that beautiful oxtail, guys. They cut it up, but it's perfectly bite-sized pieces. Wow. Mmm. Wow. So bombs. They had some lima beans in this, which makes it so creamy. Mmm. I can't wait to pump into this. The beautiful lima beans. Let's go. Nice. Mmm. What a nice touch to this. You gotta get the oxtail. This oxtail is definitely well cooked. It takes a long time just to tenderize the meat around the oxtail there. And it's just perfect. Mm-hmm. What I did with mine was I really enjoy the rice. It has only a slight hint of coconut milk. It does not have a strong hint of it, but just a tad bit. The rice they use, I believe it's Uncle Ben's long grain. Just because I'm very familiar with that textury rice type. which I love. Wow. So bombs. You better be sucking around the oxtail bone there. No meat or cartilage left behind. Wow. Bunch of kids. Coleslaw. I wonder if this is just the original or their twist on coleslaw. But it just looks like a creamy like coleslaw. Take the first bite of this. Nice. Nice. Just a regular coleslaw. Like a mayo base. With the rice, delicious. I'm gonna say this. It's a party in my mouth right now. Wow. Whoever thought pineapple and ginger? Such a great combination. Wow. I love ginger already, but ginger in a sweet base, some sort of fruit sweet base, makes it even tastier. Alright. Their jerk chicken. Authentic Jamaican jerk chicken. Take the first bite of this. Yeah, it's got it. Nice. I'm pumped for this. I want to know if this tastes like my jerk chicken. Let's get into this. Let's do this. Most definitely not. This one has more of a soy sauce taste to it. Wow. Mine is more of a slightly on the sweeter side. It just has a soy sauce based taste to it. I kind of like mine better. But still, all good. But this oxtail here, so bomb. I gotta make some oxtail soon, guys. It's a must one day. What I will not do though, cut it up to pieces. You gotta leave it whole. In my opinion, you gotta leave it whole. You gotta leave the oxtail whole. That's why you gotta leave it whole. Little shards. Wow. So bombs. Wow. That was an adventure, guys. Wow. That. The restaurant I went to was called Saffron Caribbean Delight. Phone number, address right there, guys. Drop my name when you guys check in. My review on Saffron Caribbean Delight. I want to have a jerk chicken cook-off with them. Maybe I'll ask them. I might just call them and just ask them if they want to do a Jamaican jerk chicken cook-off with me. To be honest, guys, that chicken was kind of just a, like I said, a soy sauce base. The only thing I'd really tasted was soy sauce. I think they just based it in soy sauce or marinated in soy sauce and maybe some spice, but the spice didn't really penetrate it as much. But all in all, still a delicious chicken. The oxtail though, the oxtail was on another level. It was packed with seasoning. I would love to do a take on it. I've tasted the real stuff and I would love to do my take on it. And I'll keep it whole. Keep it whole meaning keeping the oxtail intact. Rice, the coleslaw was amazing. The people, the atmosphere, the customer service was amazing, guys. The drink was even 10 times, 11 times, I'll say, even better than anything. Mrs. Grace, when are you gonna sponsor me? My ratings for this, 10 out of 10. You guys enjoy this one. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't. Also, don't forget to pick up one of your OG shirts. Only got a couple left, guys. Like this, share this. Peace out.